In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF to your Constant Contact email campaign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place an eye-catching animated image in your message and feel confident it will display the way you intend. Start by opening your Constant Contact account and navigating to the email campaign you want to enhance. This could be a draft you're working on or a previously created template you'd like to reuse. Select the campaign so it opens in the campaign details view where you can make edits to the email design. Next, click Edit to open the email builder. This takes you into the drag and drop editor where your layout, text, and images are arranged in content blocks. Take a quick moment to scan your layout and identify the spot where a GIF would add clarity or visual interest without distracting from your main message. Now add an image block exactly where you want the GIF to appear. In the builder, locate the image content block and drag it into place. You'll see a placeholder area appear in your design. Consider positioning the GIF near a headline or call to action and make sure there's enough surrounding space so it doesn't feel crowded. A clean layout helps animations stand out without overwhelming the reader. With the image block selected, upload or choose your GIF from the image library. If the GIF is already in your library, simply select it. If not, upload it from your computer and let Constant Contact store it for reuse. For the smoothest performance, use a GIF that's optimized for email. Moderate dimensions, minimal frames, and a reasonable file size. Short, looping animations generally look best and load quickly for most recipients. Insert the GIF into the email. Once it appears, you can adjust its size within the block so it fits your layout nicely. Avoid stretching it disproportionately. Instead, resize it uniformly so it remains crisp. You can also fine-tune alignment and spacing to keep your design balanced. If the animation appears static in the editor, don't worry. Many builders pause animations while editing, but they'll play for recipients. Finally, preview and send a test email to make sure the GIF displays properly. Use the preview feature to check desktop and mobile layouts, then send a test to your own inbox. Open it on different devices and email apps if possible, and confirm that the GIF loads loops as expected and doesn't slow down the message. That's it. You've successfully added a GIF to your Constant Contact email and verified it looks great before sending.